So I didn't even realize Nokia was making tablets, but here we are. We've got the Nokia T20 10.3-inch tablet. It's got Android 11, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage. Color on this is called Ocean Blue. Current pricing is just under 250 bucks on Amazon, but I'll leave a link in the description of the video with current pricing and more information. Weighs in at about 520 grams. This one has a 2K resolution display, 2000 by 1200 resolution. You get 2 years of software updates plus 3 years security updates. That's actually nice to see that they're advertising that. You also get stereo speakers. It also has a dedicated kid space. It's got an 8200 milliamp hour battery with fast charging. They're advertising about 10 hours of video use on this, so we're definitely gonna have to test that out. In the box, you got quick start guide, USB-C to USB-A charging cable, nice little Nokia branded USB-A charging adapter. Really hard to get that micro SD card ejection tool out. Okay, that's actually a really nice blue color there. Feels like a metal material there on the back. You can see the 8 megapixel rear facing camera and flash. You've got speakers on each side of the tablet, power button on the left hand side, and then charging port and the other speaker on the bottom or right hand side. You've also got the volume buttons there on the top. A few more specs there on the front of the device. Pretty nice rounded corners, fairly lightweight tablet here. It's kind of hard to see, but you got a selfie camera there in the center of the top of the tablet. You can see pretty much the same bezels here around the whole tablet. That's interesting. It looks like there's an update for this tablet already before I even log in, so I guess we'll wait for that. Unfortunately, this thing took forever to do that software update. The thing is, this one comes with Face Unlock. Pretty cool wallpaper on here, I gotta say. Not too many apps pre-installed here. You've got mostly from Google. You've also got Netflix, YouTube Kids, KidSpace, FM radio. Right out of the box, it's using about 17% of the 64 gigabyte storage. It's on Android 11, August 5th, 2021 security update. I gotta say, software in here seems very responsive. I mean, look how fast this goes. Up in the notification shade, you've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, Auto Rotate, Flashlight, Battery Saver, Airplane Mode, Eye Comfort, Screen Record, Screenshot, and Nearby Share. You've also got some other stuff you can add like Screencast, Storage, Focus Mode, and Bedtime Mode. Swipe left of the home screen, you've got Entertainment Space, where you've got stuff to watch, games, stuff to read. Now, I've never heard of this processor. It's a Unit SoC T610. Whatever it is, this thing feels super fast. I'm not really sure what they're doing with this, but the software on this seems super fast, really nice and snappy. I mean, this seems to move faster than most of my Samsung tablets. For YouTube videos, you're gonna get 1080p resolution, SD playback on Netflix. Let me give you a quick test on what the speakers sound like. Now the speakers on here definitely aren't the loudest I've ever heard on a tablet, but I feel like they're plenty loud enough for most people. Pretty easy to do split screen on here as well. I gotta say, I'm really liking the software on here. I don't know, it just seems faster, a little bit snappier than other tablets I've used. And it's pretty easy if you don't want those on there, just go ahead and say app info and uninstall. Geekbench testing, pretty much what you would expect for a tablet this price range. Not super powerful or anything, but I'm telling you, once you use this in person, it just feels faster than other tablets. Nice thing is you get HD graphics, high frame rates on PUBG Mobile, really nice performance on Asphalt 9 as well. I feel like this tablet does a really nice job with gaming. Graphics load pretty fast, no glitches or anything like that that I've had in my testing. I feel like just overall, this tablet does a really nice job at most things. Really, to me, the only downside is gonna be the cameras on this tablet. I don't think that would be a deal breaker for me, but it may be for some people. In the camera app here, you've got video, photo, portrait, panorama. For video, you've got 1080p resolution on the front and rear facing cameras. Pretty decent shutter speed on here as well. Resolution looks pretty good on here. You've also got different filters on here you can choose from, along with a beautify filter. You've got 1:1, 4:3, or full aspect ratio. I'll go ahead and show you some samples of photos and video just to give you an idea of what to expect. As far as photos go, I don't know if you can tell from these samples, but yeah, the cameras on here are definitely not very good. And I'm talking front camera and rear facing camera. Sort of disappointing because I really like everything else about this tablet. I was really hoping that they would at least be halfway decent, but no. If you're looking for a tablet with good cameras, this ain't it. In my battery drain test, I didn't quite get to their 10 hours that they're advertising. As far as video streaming goes, I only got around 8 hours, but still, that's really good compared to other tablets in this price range. I feel like the screen brightness could be a little bit brighter. Overall, it's not bad for indoor use. And you are gonna notice that at certain angles, the screen doesn't look quite as good as looking straight forward. But really, that's just nitpicking at this device. I always thought Lenovo was a pretty good competitor to Samsung tablets. But after testing this Nokia T20, I don't know, I might like this one better than some of those Lenovo ones. Other than maybe they could have made the cameras a little bit better. I don't know, I might like this one a little bit better than some of those Lenovo tablets. I also like this blue color just to change it up a little bit from all the grays and blacks that you're normally gonna see with tablets. But just my first impressions, yeah, I would definitely recommend this. Just a really nice job by Nokia. I don't know if they're gonna be coming out with other tablets or not. I haven't really been following them much. But so far, I really like what they're doing here with the Nokia T20. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.